Hello students, congratulations for all those who have cleared their exams this time and you guys have done it. Enjoy your success. And for those who couldn't do it, guys, don't worry, don't consider it as your failure. Learn what has went wrong. Maybe you have now understood how the professional exam happens and what is the ICAI standards. One of the reason why you couldn't do it, maybe you couldn't match the ICAI standards. So try to find out the reasons why you guys couldn't do it this time. Maybe like you have not covered 100% of the syllabus in each paper, or else one of the main reason would be you wouldn't attempt each and every questions in the exam. That is, you would have not completed the answers in the exams, guys. So try to how to overcome all this in the upcoming attempt. So don't give up. Definitely you guys can do it in the next attempt, provided you give whatever you can. So the purpose of making this video is to give the clarity with respect to what are the changes under new syllabus in cost and management accounting paper, guys. So previously under old syllabus, cost and management accounting was a part of group 1, but now it is a part of group 2. So for those students, whoever has passed group 1 under old syllabus need not write costing paper in group 2 under new syllabus. That means they are supposed to write only auditing as well as the FM and strategic management paper, guys, in group 2. Now coming to the changes. So now it is paper 4. Same 15 chapter, whatever was already there under old syllabus, same to same chapter. There is no amendments, nothing, guys. So same to same chapters are there. But one good news under new syllabus is they have removed one topic called contract costing, which was a part of 9th chapter. So now under new syllabus in 9th chapter, only job costing is there. And in costing paper, you guys need not worry about any amendments as such, how it will be in tax paper. So in costing, there is no amendment at all. Now coming to, sir, is there any addition? Deletion we understood, yes, contract costing, they have removed it. So under new syllabus in costing paper, have they added anything? They have added some small topics, like in chapter 1, there is something called as digital costing, what they have added. Then also in chapter 12, there is something called as key performance indicator, KPI. Small topics they have added, that is theoretical topics. That's all, guys. Very minor when compared to the entire syllabus. So these are the only few small topics which they have added. Rest everything remains same. So if you guys have already attended the classes or already if you have studied more, sir, what more should I do now? Is, guys, practice more question, practice writing, that will be more than enough. And if at all, if you have left any chapters in the previous attempt, assuming it was tough, please try to cover them also. Now for May exams. Now coming to question paper pattern under new syllabus, entire 100 marks is costing paper. There is no subdivision here. But now under new syllabus, there is a change in pattern, guys. That is 70 marks would be descriptive, whereas the MCQ questions would be asked for 30 marks. So sir, will it be like 30 questions of 1 marks each in MCQ category? Need not be. There can be few questions asked for 2 marks as well, guys, under MCQ. Whereas under old syllabus, I'm just showing you how was the paper pattern. It was completely descriptive. There used to be 6 questions, including choice, of 20 marks each, where the first question used to be compulsory, whereas out of the remaining 5 questions, you used to choose any one as an option. And the breakup between the theory and problems under the old syllabus was theory around 25 to 30 marks it used to come, and there used to be one exclusive question on theory under old syllabus. Then the rest was the problems, that is 95 to 100 marks. This is including choices, guys. Whereas now under the new syllabus, under descriptive, there is no much clarity with respect to how many questions they will ask of each. So for how many marks or how many questions they would ask, but definitely there would be one optional question is what I feel. And once the institute come out with mock test paper, we will have an idea about how the questions might be asked under descriptive type, guys. So coming to MCQ, sir, will there be any negative marking? No, there won't be any negative marking for MCQ. So try to always attend full questions, all the questions. Then coming to descriptive, yes, here also the first question might be like mandatory and one question should be choice out of the remaining questions, guys. So what I suggest here is, see, MCQ question can be picked from any chapter, any topic, from any corner. So please do prepare your entire syllabus so that you guys can maximize your marks in your May attempt. Guys, all the very best. You will definitely going to clear. Don't feel emotionally down. So you guys, you give your best, rest leave it to God, and 2024 is going to be your year. All the best, guys.